This is Aaliyah. This is my granddaughter. Say hi, Aaliyah.
Hi.
And she's about to make a project. She's going to make a sign for her room. And we're about to get started.
Yep.
Okay, so let's get started. We're going to push this up a little bit. Okay, Aaliyah. Now, all you need to do is take this out of here.
Okay.
Now we're gonna leave that on, and let me go wash this off real fast. That was a blonde moment I just had. Like, did I press record?
That would have sucked if you didn't.
I know, right? Sweet. All right.
Ah, gorgeous.
Nice. So now we're just gonna wash this so we can reuse it. Actually, I'm gonna lay it face down for now. And here is her lovely picture.